All right, so you can see here I've got this Harbor Freight air compressor that I've had for a few years. The compressor works fine, does everything I need it to do, but now I'm gonna make me a little station to hold all my compressor stuff, and I'm gonna put it on the side of this pallet rack that I have. And as you can see also, I really need a hose reel because I'm sick and tired of dragging this hose around. I have a hose reel that you hold in your hand. I don't even know where it's at around here, but it's miserable. I don't even like messing with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try one of these just cheaper manual hose reels here. As you can see, this is also from Harbor Freight. They're down the street, that's why I have it. But for, I think it was like 25 bucks, I figured I'd give it a try. So let me let you know about this hose reel. So you can see this is part number 63861, and it's the 100-foot manual steel air hose reel, central pneumatic. So this says it will hold 100 feet of 3/8 inch hose. If it's half-inch hose, it only does 50 feet. It says max pressure 100 psi. I usually only do mine up to about 100 to 125, so I think I'm gonna be fine. So let's see what it comes with. I had to buy a liter hose. So this is the hose that will come from the air compressor and actually go into the side of this hose reel. And I'll show you what I mean by that. We'll open it up. You open it up, it comes with some fittings. Actually, it comes with one fitting. This is, I guess, mounting screws, and this is the handle to actually spin the hose reel because it is a manual hose reel. These are just little pieces to mount on it to hold the hose. The part I was talking about is here. So you mount this leading hose here to this, which goes to the air compressor, which then pressurizes this pipe here in the middle. And then if you look here, there's a hole here. You put your hose on it, you wrap it up, and that way you don't have to keep, connecting it to the air compressor. It's already connected to the air compressor, and you just pull your hose off. So enough about this. You can look at this on their website. Let me go ahead and put this thing together and let you see how well it's going to work. Just to let you know, it comes with this little tool here, but if you want to keep your knuckles from bleeding, I recommend just using regular tools. This thing slips off pretty easy, but if you have nothing available, it will do it. All right, so look at there. I put it all together, and I gotta say, for a manual hose reel, I don't know why I didn't buy this way sooner. It reeled up so easy, having the fact that it's mounted, and I don't have to hold it in one hand while I'm trying to wrap it in the other hand. This being mounted makes it super easy to roll up, and it's got this handle, makes it real easy. I mean, I don't know why I waited to even get one, probably because I'm lazy to just go buy stuff. So anyways, for $25 to $30, this thing is great. It's not, really nice like the ones that are auto retractable or anything else, but I don't really care. If I want something fancier, I'll buy something fancier later. It does not come with this lead hose. So it will come with this little swivel, right? This elbow swivel, but it does not come with this lead hose. So I bought a lead hose so that way I can come down and put it onto here. Just Teflon tape it up. I don't see any leaks yet, and it rolls up fine. I think it's great, like I said, for the price. And for now, I just was able, luckily, lined up right with those holes on my pallet racking, and I was able to just mount it straight to the pallet racking. It did not come with these bolts either. So these bolts here I had in the garage. It did not come with those. But I'm actually gonna end up putting a big piece of plywood here that goes all the way across, and I'm gonna mount it differently. But for now, this is great. Works way better than rolling this up by hand. All right, well, if this video was helpful to anyone, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you would, please subscribe to the channel. It's that little red button right below the video that says subscribe. It's absolutely free. And everyone take care. I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you.